How to open a Forex trading account. Step-by-step tutorial. Opening a Forex trading account is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail to ensure safety and compliance. Choose a reliable and regulated Forex broker. Look for licenses from authorities like FCA, CISEC, or ASIC. Visit the broker's official website to open a new trading account. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Provide verification documents, a government-issued ID, and proof of address. Choosing a broker is crucial for your trading success. Ensure the broker is regulated to protect your funds and provide a secure trading environment. After selecting a broker, the registration process is simple. Be prepared to provide personal information and verification documents to comply with regulations. Once your account is funded, download the trading platform to start trading. Using a demo account is highly recommended for beginners to familiarize themselves with the trading interface. Key steps to open a Forex trading account. Select a regulated broker. Complete the registration form. Submit verification documents. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful in opening your Forex trading account.